My predecessor was involved in building a homegrown module built in Canvas, and it took me more than 3 hours to complete. And I had some concerns about the overall appearance and functionality of the program. And so I knew that that was something that we needed to change. The people in my professional network basically said, if you need to do a full online orientation program from scratch quickly, these are the people they would recommend working with. It is modular. We're able to keep expanding and growing the platform. And obviously being ADA compliant is really important. We feel like we have moved into the 21st century, and we're really excited to be here with online pre-orientation. We feel like we have major return on our investment at this point. The analytics are phenomenal. They're very easy to use, and it's pretty much generated for you. Look at those numbers. We're looking at 98%, 99%. I've never seen data like this